A new food truck has opened up on Rainey Street that focuses on homemade honeycomb waffles and shakes. Fox 7 Austin's Jacqueline Sarkeesian introduces us to Waffle Bot and Freak in this morning's Food Truck Friday.
Hey, good morning, guys. Happy Food Truck Friday. We're at the newest food truck on Rainey Street. It's called Waffle Bot and Freak Shakery. They make Belgian waffles, of course, and just a bunch of fun stuff. So why don't you come inside and check it out for yourself. Now we're inside of this new food truck. Adam here is the owner, and you came up with this very cool concept. It's very different, unlike all the other food trucks in town.
Yep, we decided to go sweet. So we've always done savory in our career, so we thought that going sweet would be very different. And if we were going to do it, we wanted to bring experiences. So the whole thing about Waffle Bot is big experiences. We want somebody's eyes to pop when they get it, like it's a celebration. And so we also wanted it to be fun for ourselves, so we did a lot of pop culture stuff that was relevant at different periods of our lives.
Yeah, and you brought that concept to your menu.
Yep.
For instance, Saturday morning cartoons.
Yep. So my favorite cereal was Fruity Pebbles. And so we infused our ice cream with Fruity Pebbles to make Fruity Pebbles ice cream. If I was a really good kid, I would get Pop-Tarts.
And who doesn't love Pop-Tarts?
Who doesn't love Pop-Tarts?
I grew up loving Pop-Tarts.
And so that's when I knew my mom was happy with me. This is our most popular. And so this is called the Eagle Scout. So we are bruleeing the banana. We charred up marshmallows with it. And then, of course, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal. And it's all over a homemade chocolate ganache. And then beyond that, we finish it off with a little bit of powdered sugar, and then it's just all goodness. Now, the thing that's also a little bit different is we put them on sticks.
Yeah, I was going to mention that.
Yeah.
Almost like a popsicle. I like
That's exactly right. We wanted to be portable. You know, it's something where you could kind of walk around a festival. You could, if we were at an event, you could kind of just walk around and be social during the event, and it not be too much for you. Then just move it up and down.
Up and down?
Yeah, all the way down. Okay, so this
Goes in that.
goes in that. Next up,
Is that good or?
lovely. Now, the
Okay.
thing that really makes a birthday,
Oh, you gotta have the candle.
oh, we'll get that.
Oh, sprinkles.
Birthday
Of course.
sprinkles.
Woo!
Yay.
Guys, does one person eat all this?
Yes. Yes, yes, and yes. And then they smile really crazy.
So after a few minutes in the truck, this is just a sample, a few options of what we've made and what you guys can try here at Waffle Bot and Freak Shakery. You also might notice we look a little different than when...
A little bit.
Yeah, so explain the getup because you guys have a box full of this stuff.
Exactly. So the food's fun, the food's outrageous, so people want to be fun and outrageous at times too, and it's coming off. So, and if you're going to take pictures with your food, have fun with it.
Yeah, okay, and this is the happy birthday to me, so let's sing.
Happy
Birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. What's that? Happy birthday, dear Adam and Jacqueline. Happy birthday to me. Okay, I'm gonna make a wish. Not the tiny blow
Me too.
out. And I'm gonna eat this waffle.